Welcome back mga katag. For this video, we will be having a room tour of Henann Garden Resort Boracay. Henann Garden Resort Boracay is located at Station 2 in the middle of Boracay Island's world-famous white sand Long Beach. Henann Garden Resort is just a short walk away from the island's attractions and provides guests with 273 guest reasonable priced rooms featuring modern aesthetics and amenities. Their deluxe room offers an accommodation of 2 persons only but with extra charge for the third person at 1,232 net per room per night, which also includes breakfast. The deluxe room has 430 square feet of floor space and offer guests spacious and comfortable accommodations. These rooms are available in either a king-size bed or 1 queen and 1 single-size bed configuration. The bathroom has a separate bathtub and shower for a more relaxing stay. Inclusions are free breakfast for room includes complimentary breakfast based on occupancy. It also includes free Wi-Fi and free use of swimming pool. So what are you waiting for? Book now a room at Henann Garden Resort Boracay. They are located at Station 2, Boracay Island, Malayaklan, Philippines. Their website is www.henann.com/boracay/henanngarden. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tag Tara Anything Goes.